Welcome to this Fantaskool tutorial. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how parents can monitor and check their child's attendance using the Fantaskool platform. Let's begin. To access your child's attendance records, visit www.fantaskool.com. If you already have a parent account, click on My Account and log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Fantaskool, click on My Account, then select Sign Up at the bottom of the page. When the registration page appears, choose the option Parent and click Continue. You can then create your account quickly by selecting Continue with Google or manually enter your first name, last name, email address, and password, and click Create Account. Once your account is successfully created and you are logged in, you will be directed to your parent dashboard. From the sidebar navigation menu, click on Attendance. A new interface will open, displaying detailed attendance information for your child or children. Here, you will be able to view attendance statistics, records of presence and absence, late or excused entries, and overall attendance performance. Fantaskool provides parents with clear and real-time attendance tracking, helping you stay informed about your child's school participation and engagement. With just a few clicks, you can monitor attendance and ensure your child stays on track. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Stay connected for more Fantaskool guides and updates designed to support parents.